Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to talk to you about a topic which is very close to my heart because I suffered from it and I have seen many family members suffer from it, gout. Gout is a form of inflammatory arthritis that develops in some people who have high levels of uric acid in blood. The acid can form crystals, needle-like crystals in the joint and can cause sudden, severe episodes of pain, tenderness, redness, warmth, and swelling. Those who've experienced gout know how painful it can be. It can actually cause food-related anxiety in people because they're afraid to eat certain foods and the pain that it can cause. So does it have to be this way? Do you really need to eliminate foods from your diet, which are common everyday foods for most people? Not at all. You should be a conscious eater, of course, but you don't have to be nervous about eating foods like meat or beans. You can eat everything, but you have to take an antidote. If you do what I'm telling you, you will never experience gout again. It has worked for me and for many of my clients. So listen up. First thing that you need to do is take bromelain. Bromelain is an enzyme which is found in pineapples. It is fantastic for gout. You can eat the pineapple or take a supplement. But remember, bromelain is found in the stem of pineapple, so you can either drink juice of the whole pineapple or chew on the stem part. Both are not quite feasible, and supplement is usually a better option. This is the one that I take. Okay, I will do a video on this particular supplement in the future. I recommend 500 milligram of bromelain. Take it 20 minutes before the meal, and you can eat whatever you like. If you eat a heavy meal with a large portion of red meat or something that really triggers your gout pain, then I would recommend 2 capsules, one 20 minutes before the meal and one right after the meal. This will prevent any crystallization. Other than that, you should take 4 things. You should make those 4 things a part of your regular diet, no matter what. Whether you're eating red meat or you're not eating it, these should be a part of your diet on regular basis. And if you do this regularly, you will never have to worry about gout again. I am giving you my guarantee. Ready? These are the 4 things: lemon, mint, cucumber, and ginger. You can drink infused water, add them to your salad, or juice them. It doesn't matter. Just make sure you have them daily, ideally before the meal. I guarantee you, if you do this, you will never experience gout again. If you can remain gout-free for up to 3 years, there is a very good chance that your body will readapt and will start removing uric acid naturally, and you will be completely healed from gout. You can actually reverse the condition. It's possible. All you have to do is remain persistent for 3 years. Make sure that you have no gout attack during that time, and you will be gout-free. Let me know how this works for you. Make sure to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.